guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm with
Madison.
So today we're gonna go thrift shopping. I'm gonna go and just like find some good stuff because I'm redoing my wardrobe. Ew. So anyways, my sister has both really good cameras right now, so sorry if the intro is a little bit bad quality, but we're just gonna work with it. And without further ado, let's go! First off is Goodwill. You're good.
Getting dark gray and light gray.
It's 20. It's 50 for $20, which is a good deal.
That is a good.
And some shorts and 2 pillows.
And then here's the clothes that we're getting, and then she's getting like this little. So yeah, that's it.
So now we're gonna watch a scary movie. That's always our tradition. And we literally got so much. Should we do a haul?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, so right now we're getting all cozy because we are
About to watch a movie.
first bag is Madison's. First stop, Marshall's.
Here we have some cute, soft, fluffy pillows that were only $20. I got this thingy for when we run together so that we can blast our Why Don't We and Pretty Much music.
See?
And then I got a new case because my phone case is a little crusty. And then I got some cute shorts.
Those are so cute.
Oh, I'm not done. And then I got a Hawaiian Tropic Silk Hydration Lotion Sunscreen. There we go.
Ah! Wait, is there another one? Oh, she's not finished.
Sorry.
Why did y'all interrupt her? She's not finished.
Our dorm room, the safe room, we got belt hangers. And not 25, not 26, but 50.
Okay, at Marshall's, I got this top. I don't like the tie though, so I'm gonna like cut that off. But it'll look good once I do. So then I got this top, which I got a good vision for what this is gonna look like, so.
Hey! I wasn't expecting. It smelled good.
I know. Last thing is this red shirt, which is like really big. I'm
go.
Thank you. It's
It's
really
like your
long.
flag.
Before all of that, I got something very important. It's this aloe. Yes, and it's swirled. Like, how much better can it get? If you're not on your way to the store right now buying this, like, what are you doing?
Get a life.
What are you doing?
Oh, and this is Goodwill. You should go check it out.
Okay, so I got these like button-up, like flowy shorts. And I got mom jeans, which I've been wanting forever. So I got this really large shirt and like tuck it in to my mom jeans. What do you know?
Another jean shorts because it's summer soon, right? What month is it? It's April, and that means the summer is 2 months away. So
Correct.
you'll need these. So that is our haul.
I have not worked that hard my whole life. Just came
All
out.
those barbecue chips. I ate most of them.
I ate a lot. Anyways, that was it for the haul. Thank you guys for watching this part. Now we're gonna go watch a scary movie. So lights out. Oh wait.
So let's go!